I've been driving for over 25 years. I've drove all different sorts of trucks in my career. The flatbed is going to be a new experience for me. I'm real excited about being here. I decided to do the lease purchase with C1 because of the opportunity to eventually own my own equipment. It's pretty hard these days to come up with a large amount of money to buy equipment, but C1 has a good program, and I'm looking forward to owning my own truck and trailer here in the future. I've done a whole lot of different things in my life. I've been in management, I've been in manufacturing. Being a truck driver to me allows me to pretty much be your own boss. Even though you are working with the company, you don't have someone kind of over your shoulder all the time, checking to see, you know, what's going on, what are you doing. So you're pretty much your own boss, and I like that. Well, I started looking for jobs, and I came across C1's ad, and so at that point I started researching the company. I started looking to see what kind of reviews that C1 had, and really I found no one that had anything bad to say about the company, and so they were geared to what I wanted to do, so that's why I decided to sign up with C1. The orientation here is real straightforward. Everybody's nice and pleasant, respectful, and the main thing I like about this company that I found out is that the owners and the people at the top have been truck drivers, and that is very, very important when it comes to a company, especially a truck driving company. If they understand what a truck driver goes through on a daily basis, everything works out pretty smooth.